Hello, welcome to Printer Tales. In this video, we'll show you how to reset your printer using a simple printer's operational panel. Just follow these steps carefully to complete the process for Canon PIXMA G and MG series. Let's get started. Step 1. Power on the printer. Step 2. Press and hold down the stop button, then press the power button once. Step 3. Keep holding the stop button and press and hold the power button. Step 4. While still holding the power button, press the stop button 5 times. Step 5. Release both buttons and wait for the printer to finish the factory reset. If you have a Canon PIXMA MG2525 or MG2522 printer, please follow these steps. Step 1. Ensure the printer is turned off. Step 2. Press and hold the on and stop buttons together for about 5 seconds. Step 3. After 5 seconds, release the power button. When the light begins flashing, press and hold the power button again. Step 4. While still holding the on button, release the stop button. Then press the stop button 5 times, and on the 6th press, hold it down. Step 5. While holding both the on and stop buttons, the alarm lamp on the control panel will blink orange. Continue holding for 5 seconds, then release both buttons.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comment section.